And so let us do the unboxing. And this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus in year 2024. So let us do the unboxing. And this is a brand new phone. So let's get this sales done and to see how nice this phone looks in 2024. And this is the 256 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of RAM. Now with 4500 milliamp power battery. So here is our phone. This is the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. This is the unboxing. So in the box we have a few things in here. So we have the phone itself. We have the simple box in here with a simple user manual. We are not going to focus on a lot of it. So let's go direct and look at our phone. Now we also have a simple type C to type C cable from the box. There is it. It's a strong one. So if we look at the phone, this is the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. It looks so nice, and this is the black matte version. So let me remove this wrapping from the wonderful and gorgeous screen. This is the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. This phone weighs around 195 grams. It's a really heavy phone, but not just like it's a bigger guy. The S22 Ultra. This is the phone. This is the brand new S22 Plus. It's a really nice. It comes with a really nice frame. I like how this S22 Plus looks like at the back. It's so nice. It's so amazing. It looks so nice. Wow, look at how beautiful this phone is.